Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video will be purely based on your development activities and setting up a development environment for your module. Okay. So what things you need to consider is like for any application, it should have a runtime environment. And for JavaScript application, most of the apps are running on Node.js environment. Okay, so we have to set the things accordingly so that we can run it in our Node.js environment. So our Webpack package JSON scripts. Okay, so one of them is the watch mode. So what happens in watch mode is like for any change you do, it will recompile your entire app and it will create a build again. What start command will do is like it will expose all your application to 8080 port that by default Webpack provides. Okay, so but in order to do this we need to install two dependencies. First is a Webpack CLI. So I will do a Webpack CLI command here. I am getting a warning that I should use upgraded Node.js environment, Node.js version, sorry. So right now I will be using 20.14, so make sure that your Node.js environments are running. Okay, so I have installed my Webpack plugin, which is make sure that it is installed in the dev dependency. So for that I have used this, and now there are some configurations that we need to make sure that happens in the config file. So for dev server we need to provide a static path. Okay, and we will be adding an optimization method. So what will happen is like when we have multiple HTML entry points, we have to make sure that our runtime chunk is single. Okay, now we will be adding a public path, like when we will do npm run start, our by default path will be our root path. Okay, so as soon as we install our server, we will add this, what we can say, we will start our application. So we will do npm run start. So it asks that we should have a dev server dependency installed. So you can simply install the Webpack dev server here directly, or you can like just click on why yes I want to install this package to open up my application in 8080 port. So this is the same output that we were getting previously. Okay, so uh, we have successfully run our application using the HTML plugin. So now we don't have any manual configuration going on. Okay, so but there is one issue is like Webpack provides a default port which is 8080. So what if you want to open it in a 3000 port or a 4000 port or any port you want? Okay, so for that what we will do is create a server.js file at the root level. Okay, so at a root level we will create a server.js file. We will simply paste this the node.js code here. Okay, so what it basically does is like I will format this with prettier. It will pick all your config from this. It will create a compiler, Webpack compiler, and using a Webpack Dev middleware, we will handle our applications in a and by in a whatever config that we are providing. And here we have a public path that we have provided here. Okay, which is a root. So yeah, you can add a script now that you want to run your application in a Node.js way. so you are able to see. So now I will do npm run server. Okay, so you are able to see that application has started on port 3000, and it will create a node module bundle. Okay, so as soon as I go to localhost 3000, I am getting the same output. I will just reload, go to node.js 3000. Okay, so I am getting the expected output. Now what I will do is like just remove this hello node.js script here. Okay, and I will click on this, so this string is removed now. Okay, then one minor thing is that let's say I am adding any path which is abc. Okay, so I need to run my server again. So as soon as I go to my root path, it says that your node application is not able to get this specific root. But as soon as we go to localhost 3000/abc, we are able to render our application. So this is all about the basic setup that we will require for our development purpose, and also you can utilize same while developing any node.js app. So I hope you are able to accelerate up your gears to run your application using Webpack. So yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you.